Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Dodge Challenger wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Challenger is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. It's also a good idea to place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage if the wiper arm snaps back. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull, revealing the bare wiper arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. After installing both new blades, it's crucial to test them. Turn on your Challenger's ignition and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe their movement to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass without streaks or chattering. This confirms a proper installation. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.